This is week 2 for me on Nutrisystem, thanks to my friend Marie Osmond, who introduced it to me on QVC. So tonight I'm having the delicious broccoli and cheddar stuffed breast, which I gotta say, it's scrumptious. But I want to share with you, I just weighed myself and I found out that I am down 10 pounds. Wow. I can tell you that this shirt used to be really tight on me before and it feels more comforting now. But I gotta say, I don't feel like I've lost 10 pounds. So I feel that's because I'm drinking so much water that I may feel that a little bloated, if you may. But it's funny because I haven't been eating a lot other than drinking water and I'm feeling full. At first I was like, oh my gosh, these portions are so small, but they are delish. So for breakfast I had their home style pancakes, which were absolutely to die for, and I was so surprised. For lunch, one of my favorite things is the chicken mozzarella melt. And for dinner, I'm having the broccoli and cheese stuffed chicken breast. So I want to show you how easy this is. They're color coded. So this represents breakfast, the yellow. Then dinner is red, and lunch is represented by blue. So it's so easy to use this color coded system. And they not only have frozen stuff, but they have not frozen stuff as well. They have snack bars. Everything of theirs is delicious. So stay tuned as I'm going to keep you posted as to my journey with losing weight on Nutrisystem. You know, 10 pounds is huge for 2 weeks. That is a 10-pound bag of potatoes. Imagine what a 10-pound bag of potatoes weighs, or 10 pounds of beef. That is a huge milestone. So I want to say that I am feeling great because my clothes are not feeling tight, or I'm not feeling like my breast or my stomach's blowing out of this shirt that was once tight for me, that it's actually looser. And I know that the system's working. So thank you, Nutrisystem. You guys are the bomb.